Was that the sponsors?
It's the sponsors, yeah.
What did they say?
They didn't like the monkeys.
What do they want?
They want impressions.
This is an impression.
Yeah.
Who is this?
This is Spiderman riding a horse.
That is not Spiderman, man. If it's Spiderman, he'd ride underneath. Why? Because he's Spiderman.
Why would he, though? Why would he ride underneath?
Because he's Spiderman.
Why? But if he had the choice, why would he go underneath?
Well, obviously, there's a danger of, like... Don't... just trying to get a feel for what level you guys are on, so... Just getting a
I
sense.
know. There's one world where everyone can be Spider-Man. Velcro world!
The safest world in the world!
Everything is made of Velcro. Velcro walking. The safest walking in the world of Velcro world.
Velcro skipping. Safe, but not that much fun.
Velcro dancing.
Oh.